Okay, for memory piece number 3, comes to you on 2 sheets. There are the large boxes. There are 5 pieces to this. And when you cut those out, you will have 5 pieces. Mine are all upside down for some reason. I don't know. But these are the properties of operations. And you should have 5 of them. To assemble this in your notebook, this is what you would do. You want to start with the largest piece, the one that says distributive division. And we are going to glue this whole thing to the notebook. So I would put dots of glue in each corner and in the middle. Again, go easy with the glue. Distributive division goes at the bottom, so make sure that you're putting it down right. So here is the first piece. This is the base piece of your file. The next piece will be, I believe, the blue piece. Distributive multiplication. So we're going to put that one right here. Now you don't glue this whole thing down. Let's go ahead and fold this tab up here at the top. Just fold it down so you see what I've done there. And that's where your glue goes, just behind the tab. So when you turn it over, you don't go below the fold line. Just do a dot, a dot, and a dot. Don't go crazy with glue here because it's a mess. And then you're gonna just paste it right down here. So we want the doors to stand up. We want that piece to fold up when we get ready to paste it down for good. And it takes a minute for that to stick. You can also tape this, guys, if you would rather tape. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna do it a little differently. I'm just gonna put the glue above the line here on this blue piece. And then I'm going to bring in the red piece, which is the commutative property of addition and multiplication. And you just glue it down there. And it looks like I failed to give you a guideline for that one. So on this one, the yellow piece, let's fold that tab up, and that's where the glue will go. So just behind the tab, dot, a dot, and a dot. And feel free to stop this video if you need to, if I'm going too fast. My iPad battery is running down and I'm trying to get through before it dies. So, and I apologize for my hands. I have been using hand sanitizer so much for COVID that my hands are awful. They are almost to the point that my skin bleeds. So I'm going to have to find another solution for, I'll wash my hands all the time too. So, okay, last thing is to glue the title piece down. And I'm not going to attempt to flip through this one. I am going to anchor this with a piece of tape just to hold it for sure. You could always pull that tape off later if you don't want it there. But this is how it should look when you get it finished. And we will flip through there and add our definitions. Or you may be gluing it after you've already added your definitions.